Ace, you want to say Happy Easter? Say Happy Easter. You gonna say Happy Easter? Say Happy Easter, everybody. Say Happy Easter. He's just smelling what I'm cooking. Happy Easter, guys. We are about to eat. I'm waiting for the rolls to get done, but my ham is done. I've got, Dylan just covered this up, but I've got hash brown casserole. If you guys remember, I did that recipe, and I'll link it down below for you guys if you want to check it out. I've got some green beans here, and of course my rolls are in the oven there cooking up. I've got the table all set, and used a pink tablecloth I think you saw in a day in a life, which was yesterday, which won't go out till Monday, so you may see this Tuesday, I don't know. So I just did some little rabbits, and I got some yellow plates. And if you're curious about the yellow plates, they come from a Dollar Tree, but I only have 4. I wish I had more because I went back to get them and they don't carry them anymore. And that's kind of a bummer about Dollar Tree, because every year it's different, and then, you know, you can't get them anymore. So, but I do love my tablecloth. It definitely screams spring and Easter. So anyways, we've got our lunch, well, actually dinner. It's almost 4 o'clock. And we have the glasses here. We need to fill those with ice, and I made iced tea, but if they don't want iced tea, we have water, and we have some drinks here, so it's whatever they want. We're just having a very casual thing. It's just the 4 of us eating, and then Lucas's girlfriend's going to come over later for coffee and cake. We're going to have Scott's birthday today, and so I've got Scott's birthday present right there. And then these are little Easter presents I got everybody. You want to say Happy Easter? Happy Easter! She was bad. I got her a baby, and she got clear up on the coffee table and stole it before I gave it to her. Naughty, naughty. Did you do that? Hey, were you a bad bunny? Yeah, she was a bad bunny. Luke and Megan went to go get some coffee. Sorry about the lighting, but it is actually pouring down the rain outside. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. And I just wanted to check in with you guys. We are going to make some coffee, and I made my spring cake. And I make it every year for Easter pretty much, because it's very light and it just kind of screams Easter. And so we are going to have that, and I've just been kind of munching on one of the dinner rolls here. But anyways, we're going to make some coffee and have some cake and sing happy birthday to Scott, and hopefully I remember to pick up my camera and record it. If you haven't noticed, I am going to start today and do a weekly vlog, which I have not done in forever. So I'll be, you know, recording a little bit of each of my day this week, and putting it all together in one video and sharing it with you guys. So yeah, so just waiting on them to get back with the coffee. I could really use a cup right now.
I'm dealing with fire, and it's not fun.
Dealing with fire.
You did a pyro. Pyro maniac. He blew out my candle.
Okay, sit down. And then look at me, smile.
I can't do it. You gotta do it fast.
I can't help how fast my phone is.
Sinuses.
Okay, look at me.
That's better.
Oh, is that good?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Paparazzi.
Why is there 4
Okay, sing.
over there?
4 and 8.
Are these?
48.
Are these old people candles where they blow out themselves? So
No.
Cause those
You just gotta. It was his fault. Sing, Lucas.
Happy birthday.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to
You. Don't film me.
What?
Don't film me.
Yay!
Are they gonna reignite, explode?
No, nothing like that. It's not that
Kitchen?
kind. I wanted to get guys. It is Monday and kind of had a very slow-paced day today, but I am fixing some dinner. I just made up some stuffed peppers, and I needed to utilize this big can of ragu that I had in my cabinet for a while. I'm just going to cover it up and put this in the oven at 400 degrees, and it's probably going to take about 45 minutes to an hour. Now, if you use brown rice in your, I know that I have showed that I've made these stuffed peppers, and every time it seems like I make them a little bit different. Sometimes I try to lean towards using brown rice. Sometimes I make them with no rice. But when you make them with brown rice, they're going to take longer. If you're going to put them in the oven like I do, because brown rice just takes a while to cook up. And also too, just make sure that you cover it up with foil really thoroughly, and that traps the steam in there so that that rice and everything can get really good and done. So that's what I'm doing today. I hope y'all are having a great Monday. It has just been kind of laid back. We went to bed super late last night, and through the night I had some stomach issues, and I think I may have maybe overeaten a little bit yesterday with all the food and everything, and it didn't exactly settle well with me. So I had kind of like a long night last night. So forgive me that I didn't vlog too much for you guys to see today, but I'm starting up my weekly vlogs again. Hope you guys are enjoying seeing what's going on every day. But right now I'm just going to fix some dinner. My husband should be home from work shortly, and we can eat. Hey guys, it is Tuesday and I am checking in with y'all. I just did a video about this, so be looking for the encouraging one another videos that I have been doing, and look for the one for the month of March. I cover what is going to start real soon with this book. If you're curious, I picked it up at Michael's, and I'm going to be using this really soon. I have been filling out my planner like crazy. I have a lot going on. I got a lot going on here in the next few days, I guess a week. Getting ready for a lot of stuff going on, just graduation and going shopping. I started my Dollar Tree list, my Costco list. Not a whole lot of things I need necessarily. Well, actually, I should rephrase that. It's needs alone, and that's it, because this month I am spending a little extra money again. My son John is going to be graduating from basic training, and so I bought some really nice graduation gifts that hopefully get here on time so I can give those to him. And yeah, so I have been filling out my planner, just trying to figure out exactly what I need to do. I got Jonathan, now this isn't written in stone or anything, but it's possible that John may be able to come home for 3 or 4 days before he goes to his next training. So on the 4th, I am planning to go through his stuff in his bedroom. I had to buy him a new bed. I'm going to get that set up in there for him because his bed was just absolutely wore out, and I was just like, you know what? We'll get rid of it while he's gone, and then before he comes back, I'll just get him a new one because it needed to be replaced anyhow. And so I had that expense on me, and I got that. But his grandmother got him all new bedding at Christmas, and he's never even used it yet. So he will have a all new bed and all new bedding when he comes home. So that will be nice. So basically, I'm just kind of figuring out chores I need to do. Yesterday, I had to order a bunch of stuff. Today, I had to shoot a couple of videos, which I did. I've got a lot of housework to do, mainly my bedroom and my bathroom and the clothes The laundry, it's washed. I just have not taken the time to fold. I was supposed to get to it today, and then I had unexpected company. And so, you know, life happens and you get set back sometimes. And that's fine because that happens to everybody. So anyways, that is what is going on. I'm just utilizing my planner. I have absolutely loved my planner. It's perfect for me. This one may not be the one, you know, for you guys, but this one works good enough for me. It is the, whoops, I'm going to have to edit that out of the video. If you're curious what planner it is, it's the sugar paper planner from Target. The last year, let's see, not last Christmas, not this past Christmas, but in 2014, they just started carrying all the sugar paper planners. Used to, you would have to get on their website and get their planners, and then you'd have to pay the shipping as well. And it made these, honestly, really highly priced and more than they're worth. And so I was glad that I could walk into a store and just purchase it flat out. It's perfect for me. I've done a video, I think briefly on it, showing you guys how I use my planner. I was keeping track of all my fitness and what I eat in here. And then of course now I'm going to go on to this starting here real soon, and next month I will be showing you guys how I put this into use, and I'm excited to use this. Let me tell you guys, get a 40% off coupon. Go to your local Michael's. I paid less than $3 for this book. I think it's a steal. I love the pages in it. They're bright colored. It's really straightforward. It's fitness. It's amount of water. It's what you eat. It's how much you weigh. It's your goals. It's really straightforward. And it's also not a real big giant book, but it's not a super small one either. You know, I've seen them where they're like really small, and I don't like that. I like these bigger ones. It's easier to write in and all of that kind of thing. So that is what's going on my Tuesday. I hope you guys are having a great Tuesday, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Happy Friday, guys. It's a great day to make pizza. I just got my pizza dough all ready, and I'm letting that rise. Let's see here. And so yeah, so in a couple hours, I'm just going to leave it sitting, and I'm going to go ahead and get things done that I need to get done, and I'm going to come back and make pizza. Hey guys, my pizza dough took off and started rising like crazy. It must be warm in here, I don't know. But anyways, you can see where I just rolled out my first pizza, and we're just going to have cheese pizzas because that's what my husband fancies, is just a plain cheese pizza, and that's what the dough looks like. Okay, it's time for dessert. We are having my strawberry cream cheese pizza. This is my dessert pizza, and that is what we're having for dessert. Yum, yum, yum.